Breathe easy, live brightly with natural daylight louvers. Looking to improve your indoor environment? Louvers are the perfect solution for natural daylight and fresh air. Here are 5 reasons to choose louvers. Healthier you. Louvers promote ventilation, removing stagnant air and creating a healthier atmosphere. Building protection. They help prevent moisture buildup, potentially safeguarding your building structure. Natural light power. Louvers bring in natural daylight, reducing dependence on artificial lighting and saving energy. Durable design. Made with 100% polycarbonate, louvers are built to last, resisting various weather elements. Customizable fit. Louvers can be tailored to your specific needs for a perfect fit to various sizes of windows. Louvers offer a convenient and effective solution for natural daylight and fresh air circulation. They are lightweight, easy to install at any height, and come with a metal frame for added strength and durability.